have our camera back. Yay! It is a beautiful Monday here. Not hot at all, and nice and overcast and breezy. Just gorgeous. Makita, she has done so good. She has done so wonderful. 13-year-old girl. Bosco is still getting used to the place, so Bosco is in with the little dog. It's a little bit more secure in there. Bosco was trying to climb the fence yesterday, so... Go see Bosco. Where's Bosco? Huh? There's Bosco. Bosco says, me comfortable here in the bushes because me still kind of scared. So me in with the little dogs. Bosco! Hello, little Bosco. He's scared. Poor little guy. Patrick? Patrick? There he is. He's scared. You're scared, little boy. Yes, you are. He's been in and out of the house. Yeah, 'cause he's scared. This is his first time here. Bosco! Bosco! You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Look at the little stinkers. Look at Carmel and Lacey. Carmel and Lacey. Carmel! Carmel! Carmel. Hi, Carmel. Hi, little Carmel. You're so pretty. And there's Lacey. There's Lacey. Little rascals. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, I feel raindrops. Okay. So whoever wants to come in can come in, and whoever wants to stay out can stay out. Oh, I just felt one. Okay. Maybe not yet, but maybe soon. Oh, I just felt another raindrop. Okay. Oh, one of these shoes are squeaking. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful out today. Not even warm.